QwQ-32B is a medium-sized reasoning model. It has performance in par with the OpenAI O1 model and DeepSeek R1. In this video, we look at how to use this model locally. To get started, you come to ollama.com and click Explore Models. You have noticed here we have QwQ, which is a reasoning model of the Qwen series. Using Ollama, we can install and run it with this command. I will launch Cursor and run it. So that will take a while because it is going to pull the model from ollama.com and install it on your machine. If we go to the Ollama website again, so you can use this model for performing reasoning tasks in the same way you use DeepSeek R1 or O1 Mini. Let's go to the installation again. You have noticed here the installation has been successful. So we are now ready to chat with the QwQ-32B reasoning model. You can add a prompt here and send it. To run it with LM Studio, when you launch LM Studio, you can go to the Discover tab. So you can download a good version of the model and try it in LM Studio. Another way to run the model locally is to use Hyperbolic. Hyperbolic gives you GPU access in the cloud. You can also use it to run LLM inference. So with LLM inference, they have a couple of models. You have seen here they have the QwQ-32B and they have other models as well, like the DeepSeek R1 model. So you can select the model here and run it using the AI chat interface on Hyperbolic. You can also run the model through the API. I have already created a project for this, so I will launch Cursor. The first thing you need to do is to install Gradio Hyperbolic. With pip install Gradio Hyperbolic. Next, we add these two imports. Then we create a Gradio interface and specify the model name. So we have Qwen/QwQ-32B. Then we specify these two parameters and launch the Gradio app. So I will go to the terminal and run the file. I will first cd into the directory containing the file and run it with Python 3 followed by the file name. After running the Gradio app, you have noticed here we have a link to open the app on the local host at port 7860. So by pressing command, I will click the link to open it in the browser. On the top of the browser, you have noticed it also displays the local host. So we are now ready to add any prompt to chat with the QwQ-32 reasoning model. So this is the best three ways you can run the QwQ-32B reasoning model locally on your machine using Ollama, LM Studio, and Hyperbolic through a Gradio interface.